Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna do a little cleanup of the engine bay. I wanted to try out a couple of different sprays. Now, big difference, obviously. This one's a name brand, CRC engine degreaser, cleaner, heavy duty cleaner. This one, I paid 99 cents for. Yes, it was 99 cents. I actually bought a couple of bottles, but I'm going to try one bottle. Right down the middle, I'm going to put some tape. This side will be 99 cents. This side will be the CRC $9.99. So, yes, $9.99. We'll try that on this side, and I'm not going to pressure wash or anything. I just don't do that with the engines. Just run some water on it, and that's about it. No pressure wash. And we'll see how these two do on the engine, how clean it looks, and we'll do the comparison. 99 cents, $9.99. You'll be the judge. I've never tried these before, so we'll see how that works. One thing I will do is alternator I always cover with plastic. I just don't want any water going in there, so, or any of the spray, so I will cover that with the plastic bag or something. And alright, let's start spraying this thing. I sprayed both sides. $10, $1, or 99 cents, $9.99. And results very disappointing on both of them, to me at least. I mean, there was water spots. I let this thing dry. I didn't touch it. I didn't rub anything on there. I just let it dry by itself, and there's a lot of water spots. The plastic is just, you know, it looks same dry and, you know, rotted, I guess you could say. This side, less spotting, I guess, you know, you can see less of the dirt that was on there, but still very disappointing. I mean, normally, you know, these things will look a lot more shinier and a lot more oily, I guess I should say, than this. And when I did this part, the 99 cents one, definitely not. It is just very disappointing. This side, it looks pretty much the same as this side. So CRC, bust. 99 cent one, whatever company that is, Auto-Brite, bust. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do another video on something different, a couple of different companies. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.